Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi, welcome to today's Practical Hakka.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
I'm Emily David.
乃黑是都华
Yeah, and it's the three of us today learning all about the Hakka language. So today we want to maybe talk about how you could ask somebody what they do for a living. You think that's okay?
I think it's okay.
All right. Alice, 我们今天想学的就是要怎么去问人家说工作，他们是做什么样的工作？
那请问你做什么工作？客家话要说抢门，
抢门，
做马嘅，
做马嘅，
头路，
头路。
长梦做马给条路
Got it in your first try. Congratulations. Okay, so one more time, the entire phrase.
抢门，
抢门，
做
做
马嘅，
马嘅，
头路，
头路。
长梦做马给条路
头路还有一个海陆腔的讲法，
工作，
对对对
头路 OK， 海陆腔是
头路。
头路。
条路
Yeah，
Wow, Ron, you're a natural. Are you sure you're not Hakka?
Yes, dark Hakka 就是黑色塔嘎
黑色的客家人。OK， 那如果我的朋友说我在做业务 ，I'm working in sales，
我做业务，
我做业务。
乃做业务
All right, you get a perfect score. We're in the media industry, so we want to learn how to say we're radio hosts. 怎么说我们是电台的主持人？
我係
我係
天台
天台
主持人，
主持人。
乃黑天腿注是你
我係
乃黑
天台
天腿就是天腿对吗？
天台
哦，天腿
主持你
乃黑天腿
主持人，
主持你
就是主持人。
啊，主持你
Yeah，
Say that one more time.
主持你
And then there's always a chance that somebody says they're not working at the moment. 那如果没有工作的话怎么办？
我冇頭路。
我冇頭路。
乃莫条路
Yes，
Okay, one more time.
我冇頭路。
All right, so that's it for today's Practical Hakka.
No more, I want more.
什麼大家
按
子谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.